How to enable or disable the SolusVM VPS login alert. You will receive a login email alert whenever you log into your VPS control panel. You can disable this function from the SolusVM. However, we recommend you enable this feature for security reasons. Enter the username and password to log in. Now click to open the drop-down list of your account name and go to Account Settings. There is a Login Alert option that is currently enabled. To disable it, click to uncheck the box and update the settings. Success! Now you know how to enable or disable the SolusVM VPS Login Alert. Thank you for watching.